Now this is exercise 5.3 of exemplar. This is question number 11. Find the value of k if fx is equal to 3x minus 8 if x is less than 5, and this is equal to 2k if x is greater than 5. This is continuous at x is equal to 5. Now this function is continuous. This is given to us. I am to find the value of k. So first I'll find left hand limit, then I'll find right hand limit, then I'll find f5, and then I'll say left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f5. Then I'll be able to find the value of k. So when I'll take left hand limit, I'll take this function. When I'll take right hand limit, I'll take this function. When I'll take x is equal to 5, I'll take this function. तो यहाँ पर थोड़ा ध्यान रखना कि लेफ्ट हैंड में हमने कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है, राइट हैंड में कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है, और एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5 में हमने कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है. So limit of fx as x tends to 5 minus is equal to limit 3x minus 8 as x tends to 5 minus. This is equal to limit 3 5 minus h minus 8 as h tends to 0. Instead of x, I have written 5 minus h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 15 minus 3h minus 8. Instead of h, write 0, you will have 7. So left hand limit is equal to 7. Now let me find the right hand limit. Limit of fx as x tends to 5 plus is equal to limit 2k as x tends to 5 plus is equal to 2k. Because this is constant and this is equal to 2k. Now f5, again I'll take function 3x minus 8. Instead of x, I'll write 5. So 3 5 minus 8, and this is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. Now since function is continuous, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f5. So left hand limit is 7, right hand limit is 2k, and f5 is 7. So it means 2k is equal to 7, value of k is equal to 7 by 2. So function is continuous when value of k is equal to 7 by 2. So that is the answer. Now question number 12. Fx is 2 raised to power x plus 2 minus 16 upon 4 raised to power x minus 16 if x is not equal to 2, and this is equal to k if x is equal to 2. This is continuous at x is equal to 2. We are to find the value of k. Now since fx is k, if I substitute x as 2, so f2 is k. So we have this value f2 is equal to k. Since function is continuous, so limit of fx as x tends to 2 is equal to f2. So we will first find limit of fx as x tends to 2. One function is given. For x less than 2 and for x greater than 2, one function is given. So we will directly write limit of fx as x tends to 2 is equal to limit of x tends to 2. We will write the function. Now since this function is 0 by 0, I have shown here this function is 0 by 0. आपने 11th क्लास में लर्न किया था, अगर ये 0 by 0 फॉर्म होती है तो हमको उसको 0 by 0 फॉर्म से हटाना होता है. उसके लिए हम इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे. So limit x tends to 2, this thing can be written as 2 raised to power x 2 raised to power 2 minus 16 upon 4 raised to power x minus 16. This is equal to limit x tends to 2 raised to power x 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 4. This thing can be written as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power 4. This is equal to limit x tends to 2. Take 2 raised to power 2 common. You will have 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power 2. Upon this thing can be written as 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. Limit x tends to 2. यहाँ से आप इसको फैक्टराइज करोगे. a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, a माइनस बी a प्लस बी. सो ये मैंने इसके फैक्टर्स बना लिए. a minus b, a plus b, 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 2. And you will have this in the numerator. Now this factor and this factor is cancelled. So you have limit x tends to 2, 4 upon 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 2. Instead of x, write 2. You will have 4 upon 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 2. And this is equal to 4 upon 8. That is equal to 1 by 2. Since this function is continuous, so limit of fx as x tends to 2 is equal to f2, and value of this is equal to half, this is equal to k, so value of k is equal to half. अगेन आई विल से दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, प्लीज़ इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से कर लेना.